So you can hear me okay. We're in Cheesecake Factory, just by the Vineland. No, not by the Vineland. Yeah, by the Vineland Premium Outlets. It's the newer one of the two main ones. Yeah. It's quite noisy, obviously, as you can hear. It's a busy night. You have to wait about, well, there's a 20-minute wait, but at least 5-minute wait before you got seated. And the menu, if you've not seen it before, it's a bit of a book. I won't bore you with everything on it. So you can go online and see anything. There's all the cheesecake there. Today's we've already discussed tomorrow morning. There's a few other desserts and beverages at the end as well. So I think we're both going to go for a sandwich. Both going to go for the Rene, which is a noodle in there. Which is a soup and sandwich. I'm going to go for the fried chicken sandwich. I've had the Cuban before, which is really nice as well. I think I've had the club before as well. But this time I go for the fried chicken. So that's nice. So yeah, it's a bit noisy. We're hoping it's copyrighted. Usually they copyright it. But we're speaking quite a lot, so hopefully not. We'll catch up with you when all the other needs arrive. We've also got bread as well, side in that as well, which is really nice. Right guys, Donna's Rene special, they've sold out of it. They've not got any more, so she's gone for the grilled fish taco instead.
Are you working?
Right guys, food has arrived. There is my chicken sandwich. It's got 3 pieces of chicken in it and a ton of coleslaw on the top and fries. Donna got the fish taco, which look lovely, but she asked for fries instead of rice and peas, or rice and beans. And we have 2 portions of fries. So that's one for the rice, one for the beans, and over. She's got loads of fries in it. The tacos look really nice. They're not different to the other ones. We had the fish that's sitting on top. They look really nice as well. So anyway, let's get stuck in. Right folks, just come out of Cheesecake Factory.
You did?
The meal was very nice.
It was lovely, really nice.
The chicken burger was lovely. It was massive. It was a chicken burger. They have on the rest. They have on the thing as a chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
It's a burger. Yeah, it's a burger bun. So I don't know what that was all about, because there was you could get a chicken burger as well. So I don't know what the difference was. Anyway, the food itself was really nice. The server was pretty good.
She was alright when she wasn't very chatty or anything. She was literally, here's your drinks, here's your food, here's another drink. Like she was very
just
military,
getting the job done. But it was, when I say when we went there, we had to wait, not long, but it was quite busy. There was a few empty chairs as we were leaving, but so I suppose if you've got a lot of area to cover, then
and she was lovely. Don't get me wrong, she was lovely.
Yeah. We ordered cheesecakes to go because you can never imagine when we were in there, and had a quick peek, and they're definitely smaller.
They are smaller.
I'm afraid to say, Mitch, they are smaller.
We will insert pictures here.
Yeah, we'll take pictures back in the room and shove them in. Yeah, so for the theming and ambience of the place,
it's very loud.
Yeah, I'd give it 3.5.
It's a 3 from me.
3. I'll give it 3.5. It's quite clean there, even though it's not that old, isn't it? 3 or 4 years old, isn't it? 3 years old?
Yeah, this one's not. In fact, I don't think it's as old as that. Because we came here in January and they hadn't long opened last year.
Yeah, it's only a couple of years old, so yeah, probably a 3 then. Because it's almost like a little bit dated already, yeah. So yeah, 3 for that. For server or service in general,
I can't fault her actually. She was very good.
I'd give it a 4.5.
Yeah.
When we checked in, obviously she said 20 minutes. We had a text in 5 minutes. Saying to our table okay, and like I say, she was quite good. So 4.
4.
For food, 4. Solid 4, yeah.
But then we've not ate the cheesecakes yet.
Yeah.
99% sure that's going to bump mine right up to a 5.
I'm not sure it's going to bump mine down because it's a small.
Shut up, Joe. It will not.
Yeah, it'll still be a 4 for me, definitely. I'm more of a savoury man than cheesecake, so.
I am not.
Oh, someone's got the brake lights on, hence me red face. Yeah, so 4 for me for value for money.
It is expensive. Like the cheesecakes.
I think it was overly bad.
Like for the 2 years to eat then, and it was just a non 2 drinks and 2 cheesecakes. It was $62,
$62, right?
It was $63 plus
63
tip.
plus tip.
So it was I think it works out $76. So it is quite pricey for an entree. Mind you,
Yeah.
what cheesecakes? But then the cheesecakes are $9 each.
That's the thing. I mean, not to say they're definitely smaller than they used to be, and the prices haven't come down at all.
Yeah.
So for the entrees themselves, I mean, both of our entrees are less than $20.
Yeah, mine was $17.99. I think yours was $15.99.
Something like that. So yeah, I mean, it's not. I don't think it's too bad. But then again, we've had meals in the parks at a similar sort of price to that.
Jesus. Sorry, someone is driving like a
I've just come flying straight out of reverse. Yeah, so I'll probably give it 3.5 value for money.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd say 3.5.
Yeah, so that's the scores. Hope you're enjoying hope you've enjoyed the reviews you've done. We've obviously only got a few days left now, so there won't be too many more of them.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you are enjoying them, give us a thumbs up. Give us a comment as well if you've eaten here before, or you want to eat here and you want to know anything.
Yeah, we've eaten here we've eaten at Cheesecake Factories since 2017. 2014? 2014 was our first time, so
yeah, so
we've done it a few times.
At least 5 times we've done Cheesecake Factory. This one we've done twice. The other one at Mall of Millennia we've done like 2 or 3 times. So yeah, so like I say, if you want to ask anything, just leave a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll catch you later on.
And remember that you're never too old for Disney.